Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can adjust player card in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, simply press touchpad on your PlayStation, view key on Xbox and T key on keyboard, and you will see a window like this. Here we need to go to player card tab, and you'll see all the editing options like profile picture, background, border, badges and rank icon. So let's say we start with profile picture. Here you will able to see all the profile pictures available for you. The best part is that you can also filter it out by hitting RT on Xbox or R2 on PlayStation. You can look for common, uncommon, rare, epic and legendary. Then you can go to background to change the background. You can see we have a lot of options here. Then if you want to change the border, you need to go to border tab and simply select the border you would like to have for your player card. Then you can go to badges. Right here you can see we have a lot of badges. As I said, you can filter it out by rare, epic, legendary like this, and you can also change the rank icon if you like. And yeah, that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you'll able to adjust player card in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.